I became a lawyer because I like competition, I like working under pressure, and ultimately I like helping people. I definitely get a lot of inspiration from my parents, who came from good family backgrounds, but they didn't grow up with much. So they really taught me the importance of hard work and ultimately just being really good to people along the way. We started Richmond Vona because we wanted to change the way people think about personal injury attorneys. And ultimately we wanted to take a team-first approach to make sure that each and every one of our clients has the best possible experience while they're working with us, despite the fact that they're coming to us in a horrible time. We're going to put our best foot forward to get them the best result possible.
For most clients, it's their first time going through something like this. There's just a lot of questions for them. They don't know what to do. We want them to feel that they can contact us at any time they want and express any ideas or thoughts they're having to us, and that we're always going to be there for them. Insurance companies do not have your best interest in mind. They may try to settle your claim under your feet for way less value than what you may be entitled to. We jump right into the investigation. We send out letters of representation and preservation. We go to the scene to investigate ourselves, take our own pictures if the client hasn't been able to do so. We do it as soon as possible.
I was headed eastbound. A tractor trailer jackknifed in front of me. I just closed my eyes and pretty much prayed to God. I went through 4 extensive surgeries in a matter of 5 days, and I don't remember any of them. The recovery and rehabilitation has been very difficult, from brain injury therapy to lots of medications. My biggest fear was not being there for my family. As soon as my wife called Richmond Vona, they were constantly there by my side, and anything I ever needed, they were there for me. Johnny Keith exceeded all my expectations. I would recommend Richmond Vona. They'll be there for you 100%, and they'll have your back throughout your whole case.
We had an incident with a younger gentleman pull out in front of us at an intersection, causing substantial injuries to me and my kids and my wife. 5 minutes before the incident, we were just talking about misfortunate events in life and how things happen when you least expect it. Then we heard the crash and everything was dark. With Keith there, anytime me and my wife had a worry, he got back to us. Our situation was in good hands. As uncomfortable as it seems to make a decision on who to trust to make sure you do right by your family, if you're looking for somebody to help you get through the storm, I would definitely recommend Richmond Vona.
People immediately become worried about, how am I going to feed my family? How am I going to pay the mortgage? How am I going to make sure my kids have clothes to go back to school? You have to have the best team if you want to put your best foot forward.
We have the state-of-the-art technology which helps our team help our clients to leverage the playing field against the insurance company to make sure that the client gets the just results that they need.
Because at the end of the day, it's our job to tell their story, potentially to a jury, and we can't do that unless we know our clients inside and out. No one expects to get in an accident. No one expects to get seriously injured. But when the unexpected happens, you can expect that Richmond Vona will have your back.